Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and click on Delete button next to the Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!